Okay, I'm back with another silk press video. We're starting with freshly shampooed hair with the Redken Dismiss Frizz. Right now you see me spraying the heat protectant on the hair and also detangling the hair. Now remember that we use heat protectant to protect the hair from being damaged by the heat of the blow dryer, the flat iron, or whatever type of heat service that you're going to complete on your guests. Okay, and right now you see me blow drying the hair. So I'm blow drying the hair, trying to get it as straight as possible with the blow dry. That way when I go back in with the flat iron, it'll make my job so much easier. Okay, and now I'm going in with the Cheese Silk Infusion as another heat protectant. I like to use this because it's not too heavy and it doesn't weigh the hair down, but it also gives it that extra shine and that extra boost for the heat protectant. And now we're just going to section off the hair as thin as possible. And so that way when we get ready to flat iron, we can get as close to the roots as possible. So those roots can be very straight to get the desired look that we're going for. I'm saying you want to get those roots and that hair is so sleek and straight that even they don't believe it's their hair. You want them to be in amazement that their hair got that straight, like this. I have met an angel in person. She looks perfect. I don't deserve it. And here you see me showing the guests where I will be starting her trim, so where I'll be cutting her perimeter. And her hair wasn't too badly damaged, so I didn't need to take a lot off. I took off maybe less than an inch. So that's not much, it's just enough to get those damaged ends off so the silk press can look more sleek and it won't have those frizzy ends sticking out of the hairstyle. And here you see me doing the finishing touches, which is just putting a little edge control on her edges and forming them into how this particular guest like her edges laid. And look how soft and silky that hair is. Just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Now let me see you shake it one time. Shake it, girl, shake it. And this is the best part of it all. Look how happy she is and how satisfied she is with her hair. This is what we love to see. And that is it. That is all. Hope to see you guys again soon. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is Sharice the Stylist.